And it's now time for the business news. Remote areas in Samburu, Isiolo, Mandera, Wajir, Garissa and Kilifi are set to be connected with mobile network connection under the fourth phase of the Universal Service Fund project. The initiative is part of ongoing efforts to widen access to communication, financial services and government platforms across Kenya. Here is Trevor Ngendo with the details.
For most Kenyans, mobile phone, money and internet services are part of their daily life. But in northern Kenya, many people have long struggled to get connected, often walking for hours, climbing trees or standing on hills just to get a signal.
Sasa hapa kwetu ile shida tuko na shida ya network. Alafu pia network tuna hata mahali ya tukipata shida yoyote hatuna kitu tunatafuta network. Tunaenda mpaka juu ya ile mlima. Tunatafuta sana network. Na tunataka tena network mzuri. Na tunataka tena kwa ajili tuna M-Pesa.
This has been the reality because of the vast distances, low population and nomadic way of life, which make it costly for mobile companies to build network towers. Now things are changing thanks to the Universal Service Fund that's financing the setting up of telecommunication network coverage in remote areas.
You can imagine Sabare sublocation that we have been visiting is 4 times the size of Nairobi County. And it's just a sublocation under an assistant chief, the leaders of the people. They go to the people and ask them, what do you want us to bring? They say, before even you promise us roads and everything, first bring us network. Then we can talk. So you can imagine, the network is the first thing people want, after which now all these other developments are following.
The Universal Service Fund Kitty, which was set up in 2013, is managed by the Communications Authority of Kenya and draws cash from mobile telecom operators, government support and donor contributions.
It's not for the faint-hearted because remember at that time there is no network. You are doing a completely new infrastructure in a place where there was none. That includes climbing some hills, spending in some very uneasy places, but nevertheless that has to be done.
After we've connected a mast, we see emergence of small shops. They're using M-Pesa. Then because with those shops there is an establishment of small towns, we see schools. Schools, they use the internet in teaching. Then within a short time we have towns and the whole community starts transforming their lives.
Parts of Marsabit, Turkana, Baringo and West Pokot counties have been connected under the first 2 phases of the Universal Service Fund project. For many residents, they can make calls easily, use mobile money or access the internet without having to travel far in search of a signal.
We are now able to open up everywhere. We are here in Marsabit County, Northeastern, and also in Turkana and Baringo and West Pokot. Those areas have been opened up. There are places that you could not be able to communicate before. According to the Communications Authority of Kenya, the first 3 phases of the project have cost 4 billion shillings and connected more than 500 sublocations. The initiative is now entering the 4th phase, targeting underserved counties such as Samburu, Isiolo, Mandera, Wajir, Garissa and Kilifi. Trevor Ngendo for Prime Edition.